Okay, so I am back. This is video number 3. So all I did right here at this end, and I know this isn't right, and so I'm gonna fix that, and but we'll get to that later. So let me tell you exactly what I did. I'm just matching properties right now. All I did was I drew a line from here to here, and then here up, and then trim, and I'll show you exactly what I meant. What I mean over here. So it's actually even easier than that. And that's it. That's all I did. I drew those two lines, and now I'm trimming. Match properties. Good to go. And I'm going to go ahead and do that over here. All right. So just do the same thing here. Go ahead and trim. Same thing here. And trimmed. So let me match properties here and here. And I believe these were 6-inch rafters, and that's why it's not really matching up over here as well. So that's, I need to offset that 2 more inches. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and trim all this. Go ahead and delete that. Trim. And again, trim. There we go. Let's see. Clean up. Let's do that as well. Over here. And let's clean this up over here. And right here. Delete. Delete. And let me extend. Extend. Go. Alright. That's good. And that's good. Right, there we go. So, we have to correct this. We have to correct this. This is not right. Let's see. So trim here. And this mud room from this top line to, so from finished floor to finished floor is 9 feet. So I'm going to offset 9 feet. And there we go, offset 1 foot 4. And that's good to go. And it looks like this is extended here. This is trimmed. There we go. This is trimmed. And over here, this is trimmed here. That and that can go. This stays. All right. And so now these are 8-inch. Let me go ahead and delete this. These are 8-inch concrete blocks. And so I'm going to offset 8-inch here. There. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and trim. And just copy this. I could use array. And then what I'm going to do is highlight these, copy these, use the copy command, and then just lay them in there. Copy, copy, copy. And for whatever reason, that did not go as planned. Oh, I see why. Alright, so I got to fix this as well. This was off center. So let's move here to there. Now we got it. Okay, and then up here we have rafters. And these are, let's see, the trusses over the mudroom. They're 2x4s, and what we're looking at is the side from the 2-inch. Over here we looked at the side by the 4-inch, and so 2x4 is, let me see if I can, here we go. So 2x4 is like this, and this is the 4-inch side, or the 3.5, and this is the 2-inch side, or 1.5. And right here we're looking at the 4-inch side, and over here we're going to look at the 2-inch side. And so these are 2 inches, let's see, 1.5 inches at 2 feet on center. And so looks like we're going to use this line right here, offset 2 feet, and then offset 1, you know what, let me just trim. There we go. Actually, I don't need that line. Let me extend this one. All right, now I can offset 1.5. And then now I can copy this. Let me make a line right here, because this is every 2 feet on center. So I want to copy this and move this over 2 feet. Now copy And I could just continue this until I have all the ones I need. And there you have it. Go ahead and delete that. And notice how I quickly just use the blue instead of the green selection tool. It's quick, and so I like using it. Okay, so that looks like that is it for. Oops, I need to copy this to here. Always do a once over, and I'm not going to trim both sides, so I'm going to move this here, and actually this should be a thicker wall. So I'm going to move this line over. There we go. Let's get rid of this. Fillet this. Add 0 radius. And now I can move this. To be centered. Go ahead and delete that. There we go. Alright. So, this footing was at a foot, and the width was at 1 foot 8. All the footings are the same. And so now, what I want to do is I want to match properties so I can get rid of. There we go. Now we have everything. And now I want to go into here and just copy this. Hit escape. No. Oop, cancel. Alright. Save changes. Okay, so some of you might ask, what the heck did I just do? And so I double click inside the XREF. You can edit XREFs. And so let me go ahead and get this over here. Oop. What just happened? Let me delete that. Don't know how I got a screenshot of that. So let's go back in here. And let's copy this. Control C. I see the software that I'm using is not allowing to record, is doing something else, and so I'm unable to do what I want to do. So let me save changes. If you go over here, save changes, you'll get out of. So anytime you have an XREF, it's an external reference. You can edit the reference, add a reference in place, and I did that by double clicking. Or you can click on it, right click. You can open XREF, and so that's pretty useful. I like using that. Let me see. Control V. Yeah. See, it took a screenshot of. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and relabel this. So unfinished base. I don't think that's right. Let's make that 8 inches. There we go. Escape. And I'm going to go ahead and label all the other rooms. But that is a section in a nutshell. And now I'm just going to copy these and finish out labeling my rooms. And so this is actually, let me delete that, and I'm going to put my ortho on, copy. I like it when my rooms all labels all line up. And I know I have unfinished basement everywhere, but I'm just going to go back and change them. So, oh, looks like I forgot to put a wall from the second floor. And here I'm going to use the X line and place the wall there. Match and cancel. Move. And again, I want to make sure it's lined up, so that's why I use ortho. So this is Control A. I'm just talking out loud. Bedroom number 1. And then Control A, copy. Control C, copy. So let me move this, and I want to center it. Control A, Control V, and then change this to bedroom 2. Center this as well. Let's see, family room. Control A is Control All. And it's a real quick command that I like to use when I'm labeling. So go ahead and use it. So family dining. And again, you notice how I'm not moving anything up or down. I have everything aligned. Let's see, mudroom. And this is the garage. All right, so here we have a section, and we are putting dimensions in. Don't forget to finish the dimensions. So from here to here. And let me do this. So that's DIMCONT, that's dimension continued, and you can do that, and it will continue doing dimensions from where you left off. And I like to back these off. Just so I can see this. And there you go. This 5 inches, I can move somewhere else. So Control L. I'll move it over here. And then I'll create an arc from here to here. And you can see my ortho is really messing with me. Or not ortho, my O-snaps. So I'll just move this a little bit more out that way. There we go. And now I have, this dimension. I could do the same over here as well. But I think we are good. Just trying to make sure I have everything. And yep. So, exercise 2, your typical wall section. Looks like it is getting something from like here. And what you can do is you can copy this. And then fix. I'll show you what I mean in the next video.